I tried making my own natural wipes with just paper towels and oils, and the results kind of blew me away. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. When I found this recipe for all natural cleaning wipes, I knew it was something worth making. They're plant-based, gentle on the skin, and completely free of harsh ingredients. Unlike most store-bought wipes loaded with alcohol and artificial fragrances and who knows what, these are non-toxic and safe for kids, pets. Here's how I made it. Start with a wide mouth 16-ounce jar filled with folded paper towels or reusable cloths. So in a pitcher, you want to combine 1 cup of distilled water with 1 teaspoon of almond oil. So 1 teaspoon of almond oil, this keeps the hands soft and moisturized. Just like that. And also 1 teaspoon of Lavender Hydrosol. This is calming and has a fresh scent. 10 drops of Cajaput essential oil. This is a natural cleanser. So you have some options. Option 1 is to use Castile soap, which I will be using today, or you can use vinegar. I am going to go with Castile soap, 1 tablespoon. And this just helps break down the grease. And I'm also going to be adding 15 drops of GeoGuard ECT preservative. This is going to keep the wipes fresh longer. So we're going to stir this well. Then we're going to pour this mixture over the towels in the jar until saturated. Then you want to shake it gently, and it's all done. These are ready to go whenever messes happen. If you want to make these natural wipes, the Simply Earth recipe box gives you everything you need. It's all full-size oils, DIY tools, and no fluff. And when you sign up, you get a free big bonus box with extras that make these recipes even easier. Find it all at simplyearth.com. Remember, making is healing. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Oh wow, these are way better than I thought. The wipe feels cool and soft, and the scent, it's like I just walked into a fancy spa. My skin feels clean, calm, and moisturized. No dryness, no stickiness. Honestly, this doesn't feel homemade at all, but it is. And that's the best part. Try these and tell me where you stashed your first jar. Tag from Simply Earth and use hashtag I made this. You can win a $100 gift card and get featured. And if you want more easy, fun, and toxin-free DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video.